Have you ever left a relationship feeling emotionally drained, wondering why the same patterns keep showing up in different people in your life? That could be the work of karmic relationship. These intense connections are meant to teach us lessons, but they can also leave lasting imprints on how we approach towards love and trust in our future relationships. In this video, we are going to explore how karmic relationships affect your future relationships and what you can carry forward and how to break free from those unhealthy cycles and how to create healthier, more meaningful connections moving forward. Hi and welcome. Relationships, especially the karmic ones, are some of our greatest teachers in life. These connections are often very challenging, emotional, intense because they serve a spiritual purpose to help us grow. But what happens after a karmic relationship come to an end? Do you move on like nothing happened, or do the patterns or bond linger on? And how it affect you? How you can connect with others? Today we are going to deep dwell into all these questions and understand the impact of karmic relationships on our future connections and how to heal them. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the emotional baggage the karmic relationship can leave behind and how to ensure that they don't hold you back from finding healthy and fulfilling love. But first, let's understand what are karmic relationships. Karmic relationships are intense connections that serve as mirrors reflecting the lessons that we need to learn. They are not necessarily meant to be lasting forever. They are the patterns and the fears that we need to understand to actually grow in our life. They feel magnetic, overwhelming. They have a push-pull dynamics. They bring us unresolved issues from the past life and the earlier experiences, and that's how you can feel suffocated. Now, how karmic relationship affect your emotional health? When a karmic relationship ends, it often leaves emotional scars. You can feel fear of rejection. If the relationship ends abruptly, you may carry fear that the future partner will also leave you. You can feel self-doubt. The challenges in the karmic connection can make you question your worth and ability to sustain in a healthy relationship. Emotional baggage, lingering hurt, anger, resentment can weigh heavy on your heart. This emotional residue can show up in your future relationship in the form of mistrust, fear of intimacy, over defensiveness, and so much more. Now let's understand the repeating patterns in the future relationships. One of the most significant effect of a karmic relationship is the repeating same patterns. For example, attachment issues. You may find yourself clinging to a partner or pushing them away out of fear. It can be attracting similar partners. So you can have an unhealed wound from a karmic relationship that can draw to a person who is a mirror facing the same kind of challenge in life. This is so common. Trust me. I almost do 400 Akashic record readings in a month, and this is really a case. Next is overcompensating. I was a victim of one of those once when I was understanding this, but now I'm healed. You might also have that in you, and you need to fix yourself. Otherwise, you are going to burn out giving your partner a lot until you've learned the lessons of the karmic relationship that are meant to teach you. It's likely that you encounter similar challenges in your future connections as well. And then you will say that he was also the same, he's also the same. Where do I go? Now let's understand the role of forgiveness and letting go. Healing from a karmic relationship is critical to prevent it from further effectiveness of future. The most powerful tools are self-forgiveness. Acknowledge your role in a relationship without blaming yourself. Remember, the karmic relationships are about growth and not guilt. Forgiving the other person is like if you're holding in resentment and that tie from the past, if you're not forgiving, it is not giving you peace and it is not going to get you out of the karmic relationship cycle, and you're going to have similar partners. So you need to understand that letting go of expectation is necessary. Release the idea of what could have been to free yourself emotionally. Now let's understand building awareness to heal. The first step in breaking free from karmic patterns is to recognize them. Ask yourself, what did the relationship teach me? Are these unresolved emotions I am carrying? Am I repeating similar patterns in my current and future relationships? Journaling, meditating, self reflection are powerful tools of building awareness around you. Now understand how to protect your future relationships. The best part to do right now. Once you have identified and you begin healing from karmic patterns, you can take steps to create healthier connections moving ahead. Number one, prioritize self love. The healthier your relationship with yourself, the healthier your relationship will be with others. Take time to nurture your own needs, your desires, your feelings. Number two, set clear boundaries. Learn to communicate your needs, limitations. Healthy boundaries are essential for meaningful relationships. Number three, practice mindful dating. Take time to understand a potential partner before jumping into a relationship. Look for red flags. See that can you trust your intuition. Number four, seek support. If you're struggling to heal, consider a therapy, consider Akashic record, healing with relationship, or Akashic record reading itself to understand that how this is going to help you uncover and release deeper blocks. And last but not the least, let's understand transforming karmic energy. Not all effects of karmic relationship are negative once you are healed. The lessons you have learned can actually enhance your future connections. But how? You become more empathetic and understanding. You learn to value healthy communication and trust. You develop a stronger sense of self-awareness, which leads to better choices in life. So karmic relationships, while are challenging but are incredible teachers. They show us where we need to grow and push us towards being better version of our own self. But their impact doesn't have to define your future relationships. By recognizing the lessons, healing the wounds, and consciously choosing healthier patterns, you can break free from the past and build the life that you desire. And now, if you are stuck in a karmic cycle and struggling to heal yourself, I invite you to book an Akashic record reading with relationship. Together, we uncover the blocks holding you back, create a plan to help you forward. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share it with someone who really want to hear this right now. To book your reading, hop onto our website www.sanskritiseti.com or connect with my team on +91 9634003939. Up until next time, see you and keep exploring.